Hello everyone and welcome to Solving Solo Series for CAT examinations. Solving one question at one time. A chemical plant have got 4 tanks A, B, C, D, each containing 1000 liters of chemical. The chemical is being pumped from one tank to another as follows. From A to B, 20 liter per minute. Let me have the minute schedule. What is happening in 1 minute? From A to B, 20 liter. A to B, that means minus in A and plus in B. C to A, 90 liter. C to A, 90 liters. AD, 10 liter. AD, 10 liter. CD 50, CD 50, BC 100, BC 100, DB 110, D, then B 110. Now let us see what had happened to all these 4 tanks in one particular minute. A is plus 60, 90 minus 30 is plus 60. B, we can see it is plus 30. In C, 100 minus 90 is 10 minus 40. In D, 110 minus 60 is minus 50. So which tank get emptied first? Obviously we can see that D will get empty first, because every minute the maximum number of chemical is pumped out from D is 50 liters. So D will get empty first, and in how many minutes it will get empty? 1000 by 50, that is 20 minutes. So answer should be D20. Which option fits in? Option C. Keep practicing, subscribe to our channel, and I hope this is clear with all of you. Thank you. I'll see you soon.